Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a public map in Fortnite. Open Creative, choose an island, enable publishing, set visibility to public, and save your changes. Start by testing spawn points and game rules in solo mode. Adjust pacing, lighting, and weapons to match your design goals. Once satisfied, publish and copy your island code to share with friends and communities for feedback and playtesting. Begin by choosing a template that fits your vision, then tweak core settings like max players, round time, and gravity to shape gameplay. Place spawn pads and weapons deliberately to balance flow and fun, and add objective markers so players always know where to go. Use test runs to spot dead zones and adjust terrain or barriers accordingly. Small tweaks now save time after publishing your map. Polish your map by inviting testers and watching how they move and fight, then fix choke points and annoying loops. Use triggers, mutators, and sequencing to control flow and create satisfying moments. Trim unused devices and simplify dense geometry to boost performance on lower-end systems. Iterate quickly between playtests and changes, and keep notes on feedback so each update improves clarity, balance, and replay value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.